In this video, we'll present to you the top 5 best Wi-Fi light switches on the market today. Regardless of whether you're looking for the budget option or through the best to the best. We have chosen one for each category and we'll have one for you. We made this list in no particular order, so if you're interested in what many Wi-Fi light switches will work best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links about the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check it out. Now let's get to the video. Wemo Wi-Fi Light Switch. For a great all-around choice, take a look at the Wemo Wi-Fi Light Switch. After installation, you can control the light on the switch or through the companion app. It's even compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So you can simply use your voice to control the switch through the Amazon Echo Show or other Alexa device. The companion Wemo app allows users to set automatic schedules for each switch. You can also set the switch to turn off at sunrise and switch on at sunset. A unique away mode will see the switch turn on and off at random times and intervals to make it look like someone is home even while you're on vacation or out of town. Lutron Caseta Wireless Starter Kit. Dimmer switches are also another unique type of lighting many homeowners take advantage of to provide a different amount of light in a location. The Lutron Caseta Wireless Smart Light Dimming Switch Starter Kit offers a hub, 2 switches, and 2 remote controls. A perfect option for older homes, the dimmer switches take around 15 minutes to install and don't require a neutral wire, which is a big plus. Another advantage is the small remote that can control the lights when at home. Control is also available through Amazon Alexa and Apple HomeKit. HomeKit support allows users to control the lights on the Apple Watch or iOS device by just asking the virtual assistant Siri. Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Light Switch, 3-way kit. A 3-way fixture is a great way to provide multiple levels of light to your home and is often found in living rooms, stairways, and halls. And there are even special 3-way Wi-Fi light switches to use with those options. Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Light Switch, 3-way kit offers a great 2-pack to help turn a pair of outlets into wireless light switches. Because the wiring of 3-way switches is often more complex than a simple on and off version, the companion app offers a step-by-step installation process. Just head to the smartphone app to set a light switch timer or a specific schedule. At home, you can also control the switch with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Microsoft Cortana. Kkcool 2-gang Smart Light Switch. Another logistical problem when installing a wireless light switch might be an abundance of 2-gang light switches in your home. But a growing number of 2-gang smart switches are coming onto the market to take advantage of. Along with the switch itself, you can operate the Kkcool 2-gang Smart Light Switch with the companion app, or with an Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant device. The companion app allows users to create a daily schedule, customize a preset on and off time, or even sync with the sunrise and sunset. Switchmate Smart Lighting. No matter the advantages of a Wi-Fi light switch, going through the installation process might be a non-starter for some potential users for a variety of reasons. Switchmate is an option you'll definitely want to explore that installs in less than 10 minutes. Available in both the toggle or rocker option, Switchmate instantly snaps over an existing switch, so there's no need to worry about tools or wiring. Multiple control options are available to users besides using the switch itself. Along with the companion app, it offers built-in voice controls that don't require another smart home hub like Amazon Alexa. You can also set a number of different schedules to suit routine.
Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.